Minor scratches on the surface of a car are a fact of life. No matter how hard we try to keep light scratches from occurring, it's inevitable that the clear coat on most vehicles will end up with scratches from fingernails, boxes, car wash brushes, twigs, or other elements. The 3M scratch removal system is designed to remove light scratches to the clear coat. Common areas in need of repair are the area around the door handle or the trunk. The 3M scratch removal system will not eliminate deep or wide scratches or scratches that go through the clear coat. Some deep scratches, acid rain pits, or other types of paint defects may not be able to be removed without repairing a portion of the vehicle. This product will help you remove scratches that do not require painting to fix. Consider the condition of your paint before using this product. To determine if you should use the 3M scratch removal system, run your fingernail over the scratch. If you can feel the scratch, but your fingernail does not catch, we recommend using the 3M scratch removal system. If your fingernail catches on the scratch, or if you can see metal, follow the manufacturer's repair procedure or see a professional collision shop. Clean the surface of the area to be repaired with car wash soap and water. Dry it completely with a clean, dry cloth. When working around door handles, mirrors, bumpers, molding, decals, and adjacent panels, protect them from potential damage with 3M Performance Masking Tape. Spray water on the repair area and the 3000 grit abrasive square. Use the abrasive square to sand the immediate area of the scratch. Confine your sanding to a 4" by 4" area around the scratch. Gently sand the scratch area by hand with light to medium pressure using the gray-green side of the abrasive square. While sanding, a white slurry or light foam will appear. This indicates the abrasive is reducing the scratch. Frequently wipe the sanded area with a paper towel to determine if the scratch has been removed, approximately once every 10 seconds of sanding. If the scratch is still visible, spray the area and abrasive square with water again and continue sanding. Observe the scratch area from multiple angles to ensure the scratch has been removed completely. Once the scratch is no longer visible, wipe the area with a clean, dry towel and move on to the compounding step. With the power plug disconnected, mount the disc pad holder onto a standard household drill. Attach and center the purple compounding pad to the disc pad holder. Place a quarter-sized amount of the 3M rubbing compound onto the purple pad. Before turning the drill on, smear the rubbing compound with the purple pad over the sanded area. This will reduce splatter. Buff the area sanded in the previous step. Extend beyond repair by approximately the width of the purple pad. This will ensure all scratches are removed from the surface. Buff the area using light to medium pressure at a comfortable drill speed, using only enough pressure to compress the surface of the waffle pad. While buffing, hold the purple pad flat against the surface and buff using an up and down and side to side motion to ensure all sanded areas are compounded. Reduce pressure as compound dries and the shine is partially restored. Repeat the application if any scratches or hazy or dull areas are still visible. Remove any remaining rubbing compound from the surface with a clean, dry cloth before moving to the polishing step. If any rubbing compound sticks or smears on the surface, spray it with water and wipe with a clean, dry cloth. The purple pad can be rinsed out with water and saved for future use. Remove the purple pad and replace it with the black polishing pad. Place a quarter-sized amount of 3M scratch remover onto the black pad. Before turning the drill on, smear the polish with the black pad over the repair area. This will reduce splatter. Polish the area compounded in the previous step. Extend beyond the repair area by approximately the width of the black pad. This will ensure all scratches are removed from the surface. Polish the area using light to medium pressure at a comfortable drill speed, using only enough pressure to compress the surface of the waffle pad. While polishing, hold the black pad flat against the surface and polish using an up and down and side to side motion to ensure all compounded areas are polished. Reduce the pressure as the polish dries and the desired shine is achieved. Repeat the application if necessary. Buff the area by hand with a clean, dry microfiber cloth to remove any remaining polish left on the surface. The black pad can be rinsed out with water and saved for future use. For added protection, apply a protective product to the repaired area and the entire vehicle. For best results, 3M recommends 3M Performance Finish Synthetic Wax, part number 39030, available on www.shop3m.com. To learn more about this and other great 3M car care or Bondo products, visit us on the web at www.3mcarcare.com.